Hi, so today I thought I'd do a really quick, bright poppy eyeliner. I love turquoise, purple, inky blues, green, all sorts of eyeliners. I'm in my 40s and I'm still wearing bright colours. The trick is to add it to a smoky eye so it's a bit more subtle, either under the eye or as a feline flick on top. That looks really cool as well, or even a little colour pop in the inner corner. If it's a lighter shade, can look really cool as well. So today I'm going to use a L'Oreal pencil in turquoise. Really beautiful colour. I'm just going to rush through my base and everything, so it's all about the eyes today. I'm going to use classic Luminous Silk from Giorgio Armani. I've been using this since it first came out, probably about 10 years ago now. Still up there with one of the best. Great coverage. You still look lovely and glowy, not caked. A dusting of Hourglass Dim Light. For the eye base, I'm going to use Groundwork, which is a paint pot by MAC. Really great colour. It's really nice just to wear this on its own for a really natural look as well. Better to hold the eye taut. It's easier. Keep your eye open a little bit, obviously. I like to start on the outer corner. And depends your eye shape. If your eyes are quite small, it's better just to do a flick at the edge. If you've got larger eyes, you can take it all the way. And also if you just want a more subtle look, keep it to the corner. So I'm going to go underneath as well. Tip, don't take it up too far because it will break, so just keep it really close to where it pops out. I'm going to put it on the outer corner. I'm going to put loads of mascara on. I really like this L'Oreal Paradise at the moment for extra thickness. Really lovely, intense black as well. I'm going to use the tip to get even more thickness on the outer corners. Go easy on the bottom lashes because it's quite, the wand is quite thick. There's a load of product on it, but I want them to look quite spiky and chunky. Going in with my brow set. So you can leave it like that, or you can add some black. I've got Smolder by MAC. I'm just going to put it inside my eye. More in the corner. So you can see the difference. It's just, it makes it look even more turquoise. there's my Aqua Eyeliner look. Really quick. So that's 5 minutes, less than that. I'm just going to put on a bit of a neutral lip. Do Me Baby by MAC, really lovely bricky brown. There you go. I hope you like it. See you soon.